In today's episode, we're diving deep into a battle of two giants, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Which one will dominate 2025? Let's break it down. Apple brings a familiar yet refined design with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, featuring a titanium frame and an even slimmer bezel. Meanwhile, Samsung introduces a sleeker, lighter Fold 6 with a stronger hinge mechanism. If you're into foldables, the Z Fold 6 looks like a futuristic gadget. But if you're all about that premium feel, the iPhone delivers classic elegance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with 120 Hz ProMotion and improved outdoor brightness. The Fold 6 counters with a 7.6-inch foldable AMOLED main screen and a 6.2-inch cover display. Both support 120 Hz refresh rate. Apple introduces the new A18 Bionic chip, built on a 3-nm process, making it the fastest chip in a smartphone. Multitasking, gaming, and AI-based functions are seamless. Samsung isn't far behind. The Z Fold 6 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, optimized for foldable performance. iPhone 16 Pro Max features a triple lens system with improved low-light photography, 8K video, and smart stabilization. Samsung answers with 5 cameras across both screens, including a 200MP main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Tell us in the comments, what's your pick?